So guys, this is a romantic cooking session.
Hey guys, my name is Anupama and welcome to my channel Lifeaholic. So today we are just gonna vlog. It's a weekend, so we are going out shopping for groceries because we have run out of stuff. Let's see, let's hope that the shops are open during this lockdown because sometimes you don't find vegetables by the time we reach. Hopefully, everything should be available. So we are ready to step out and I have my mask with me. Shopping bag is also ready. So we are out after a long time and the roads are so empty. It feels so weird. And it's not like too early now. We actually did plan to step out early. It's almost 10 now. So it's pretty hot. It's pretty sunny. Finally we've reached towards our car. Do not forget to do that. So we are finally back and there was actually quite queue because we had to like go to 2-3 places and we got some fish also, so we are going to have like fish after a long time. Also I got pasta and suddenly I saw this in the supermarket and I thought that let me make pasta. So it happens na suddenly, like during lockdown you just want to like make stuff, but let me see because it all depends on my mood. Let's see if I am going to make this pasta, and if I am, then I will show you guys what I'm gonna do. So today is a Saturday, so I will be shooting a video right now and do the editing and everything, and hopefully try and upload it today itself. What happens is that I'm working full time, so during weekdays I don't get time. I have to rely on weekends, maybe a Saturday or a Sunday, and if I'm working on the Saturday or the Sunday, then it becomes very difficult. But I try and manage to shoot a video, at least one video, and edit it on the same day and try and upload it at a good reasonable time so that you guys can watch it. I also have some office work, so it's going to be slightly difficult, but right now it's just video time. So I just got done filming the video. So my husband Sahil has been very sweet to actually make lunch when I was busy filming. Otherwise I would have just died of hunger. Post my lunch, then probably I'll sit and edit the video. I still have my plan on in the evening for cooking the pasta, and I will try and get my husband into the cook. There is a romantic story behind that. I will tell you that just when we are about to make the pasta. So I'm done now. Now I can start with my pasta and I can start with the recipe that I had seen. It was a very simple recipe, but still we don't have a lot of things that are required. We are going to try and make do with whatever we have. So let's get into pasta. पहले क्या करना है? We need to boil pastas. We have penne pasta. And just to let you know guys that this is not going to be a cookery show at all. Please do not try this at home because we are just making it in a very haphazard manner. So before we get into the actual pasta making process, let me tell you what the romantic story was. So basically, like more than 3 years back, just before our marriage, after the engagement, Sahil had come over. My mom was in her hometown, my dad was at home, so we had invited Sahil over on one of the weekends, one Saturday night, to kind of like play cards and have dinner together. So he had come home and I just had this quick idea that let's make pasta. I don't know why, but I wanted to make pasta, so I asked him, and it was before marriage, so he said yes. Now it was so difficult to actually get him to make pasta this time. Anyways, so he came over and we made this red sauce pasta. We made it together for the first time, and we have like quite a lot of memories from then. I'll try and insert some pictures from that time, and sorry, we are looking very horrible in those pictures. So hopefully we'll try and recreate that romantic cooking together. So we have kept the pasta for boil. We have some chicken. So for sauce, we are supposed to actually boil tomatoes and puree them. But since we are very lazy people, so we got like tomato puree from the store. And I also got this pasta and pizza sauce. So I think ye ho jayega. I think this should be okay. So Sahil is doing actually most of the work, and I'm just supervising him. You have to actually boil the pasta till it becomes al dente. I don't know. It's supposed to be kadak, and but when you actually kind of break it in between, you should still see the white rim around it.
Guys, please do not try this at home. These stunts should be performed under
supervision. Now we're just going to test and see if the pasta has been cooked. Adding a little bit of water. He said कि पानी काफ़ी है, but I really don't think there's enough sauce to coat. We're just going to put Maggi magic cubes.
Guys, like I said, please do not try this at home.
This is putting everything.
Please do not follow our recipes. I think we can digest all this crap.
We eat out quite a lot, so we eat a lot of trash as well. So our stomachs are pretty strong that way. And this is not at all going to be there in any recipe. So our sauce is almost ready. I'm getting that Maggi masala taste as well. So now we are going to put the pasta. So now we've put everything in the pasta. We've just closed the lid for boiling. So we don't have olives, we don't have chili flakes, and we don't have cheese. We don't have half the things that are required actually for a pasta. It's been quite a while since the pasta was boiling. Now he's up. Good morning. This is how the pasta looks. So the pasta has turned out good. I'm really surprised because we did not have anything at home. We just had like pasta and we just had like very few ingredients. I wish we had cheese because cheese would give it like a very nice taste, but maybe next time. And also olives, we should get olives also next time. So anyways, I am super happy that it turned out good. And did we recreate the earlier pasta
Yes,
experience,
we
the
did.
romantic?
It was actually very romantic and we enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was different
It's-
kind of
I mean,
romance after marriage.
Yeah, I mean during this lockdown and everything, you have got a chance to connect with your people, your family, but you can actually recreate things which you did in the past, like we did, and enjoy, have fun. So I think it was a good exercise.
I know.
Thanks to my wonderful.
No, thanks to Sahil because he
Thanks
did
to me.
because he did most of the cooking. I was just like a supporting actress. So now let's eat. Since we don't have wine, so let's pour ourselves some juice and let's have pasta. So that was how my day was. It was quite hectic, but it was actually good that we could make this pasta and finish off the day on a good note. So now I'm going to have my pasta and my juice and watch some Netflix. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I come out with a video every week. So until next time, stay tuned. Bye bye.